Good morning, guys. It's ATO. What's up, you guys? So, right now, you guys, we are just hanging out. So, that's what's going on. So, it's going to be fun and exciting.
Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I'm going to the job agency, so that is what's going on. Hey guys, I just got done the job agency. I'm just heading to get the food, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm getting the food. So right now, you guys, we are cleaning the car, so that's what's going on, you guys.
So, I hope you guys enjoy this episode. You guys do give it a big thumbs up. It was good watching the Super Mario movie. It was really, really interesting how they actually did some stuff to the movie. But when I was watching, there was lots of Easter eggs. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. Good night.